Evolution of management accounting. Management accounting refers to the processes and techniques that focus on the effective and efficient use of organizational resources to support managers in their task of enhancing both customer value and shareholder value.
International Federation of Accountants IFSC model. Prior to 1950s, cost accounting was simply a technical activity. From the mid-1960s, management accounting emerged as a staff function, providing support to line management. In the 1980s, with the emergence of new process improvement technologies and waste reduction, management accounting often became a part of team-based activities. From the mid-90s, the domain of management accounting started to become a dimension of the management process. While in many organizations, the management accounting responsibilities were clearly the responsibility of the accounting specialist, in other organizations, a broader range of managers, such as marketing managers and engineers, became more involved in the production and analysis of management accounting information. From 2000 onwards, the strategic focus on creating and managing value has continued, although this has been tempered by demands for accountability from a broader range of stakeholders. Factors that contribute to the evolution of management accounting practices. First, emergence of new industries. Different industries practices different planning, operating, organization, and controlling that guides management actions, for example, mining industries. Secondly, focus on customer. The company needs to satisfy customers' demands and also their product needs to be up to date. Thirdly, continuous improvement. Looking at the competitor's product, for example, do benchmarking. Create the value through strategic resources management and also innovation of an organization. Next, information and communication technology. For example, through e-commerce. Gather information on the product's quality, demands, as well as the production. New technologies such as new machine can help to produce the products at a faster rate with high quality. And lastly, total quality management. The company can hire specific expertise in the specialized industries that company is engaged with. They can produce different departments to ensure that the ongoing process will go smoothly. The relevance loss of traditional management accounting techniques in the modern business environment. Firstly, management accounting were found to be not relevant for management. For example, first in, first out FIFO and also last in, first out LIFO. Modern business environment focuses more on the new techniques that easy to understand and profitable to them. Secondly, neglects the high cost and focus more on production. Modern business practice more to cost reduction rather than production because nowadays the focus is more towards profit. Lastly, wrong and misleading information for decision-making purposes. Previously, management only used hard copy to save all the company documents. However, nowadays, there is technology advance that can make the management to access to the file easily. Previously, also the communication among employee and management is limited and take a long process for the information to reach to the concerned people. But there is communication tools nowadays that can make communication go smoothly.